Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix error code 41004 Peacock. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So fixing this issue on your Peacock app is actually pretty easy. So the first thing we need to do here is we need to first know what is the cause of this issue. Well, and this issue is most likely caused by the payment method that you are using. So the direct way to probably fix this issue is to try a different payment method. Now, in some cases, when you try a different payment method here, that would actually fix the issue itself. But changing a payment method does not guarantee that, and there's still a few ways for you to fix this problem. Now, one of those ways to fix this problem is using a VPN. Now, VPN is a great way for you to fix some of the problems. So personally, I like using Thunder VPN here. So in this case, just turn this on and connect to your VPN. And from then on, try accessing if that solves your issue. Now, if that doesn't solve the issue, the final way for us to fix this issue is try clearing our cache. In this case, go to your settings here. And from here, scroll down a bit and look for apps. From here, click on Manage Apps. And from here, let's go ahead and search for Peacock. Now, in this case, once we actually see Peacock here, you should be able to see the app itself. So let's go ahead and wait for it to load up. As you can see, we have Peacock TV here. Let's go ahead and open it up. From here, click on the clear data at the bottom right of your screen. And from here, click on Clear Cache. From here, click on OK. And from here, go ahead and open it up and see if that solves the issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.